Earlier, I described different types of lighting fixtures with different types of magnitudes and how they look and designs. Now, there are category tags for those types of lighting fixtures, you see, the category tags good lighting and bad lighting describe the two different types of lighting fixtures. Knowingly, most of the lighting fixtures on our streets today are bad lighting fixtures, which let 50% or more light escape upward. So, for instance, if you have a lighting fixture like this, 50% or more upward, and usually these are the older fixtures. As you know, the new fixtures would be more efficient. Now, because of the most popular variety of many different lighting fixtures about our urban and suburban areas today, I will provide some specific examples for you to take into consideration. It seems flagrant that Cobra head lighting fixtures have not yet attracted protests against themselves ever since their introduction in the 60s. Cobra heads fall into the category of bad lighting fixtures, and they are lighting fixtures commonly used along the highway to illuminate both sides of the traveling traffic. So if you're traveling on a highway like this, this is one side. This whole thing is divided by Cobra heads, which are like this, and they shine on and illuminate both ways. Now, believe it or not, they are the lighting fixtures that let 70% of produced light escape upward. Excuse me. This means that only 30% of the given off light is used to illuminate the highways and roads. Of course then. Indeed, yeah. This sounds and is a very absurd. It has been nearly 50 years and the problem hadn't been faced. Let's look at it conversely. Cobra heads give way for 70% of their emitted light upward into the sky. Thus, the light nourishes itself miles in the sky above, creating an aura of a lightened sky. Obviously, if you take every single lighting fixture which lets light go up, that is, regardless of either the sky is full of clouds or not, due to the radiant emitted glare from the sum of all of the different types of lighting fixtures, you may be asking the commonly misunderstood question right now: how does light pollution affect the lives of regular people? Remember, light pollution is caused by horizontal glare, horizontal glare is where light is dispersed on a radius of 180 degrees around the bulb, usually causing the bulb of emitted light to be seen from half a mile away and further. Cobra heads can be seen from 2 miles away. How does this apply to our most popular emitting light fixtures, the Cobra heads? Well, 30% of the light emitted from the Cobra head doesn't follow a vertical emission path. What path does it follow? The emission of light the Cobra heads follows a horizontal path as well, illuminating many places around the main light emitters, or the bulbs, which can be seen miles away. Technically, when unwanted light from a lighting fixture of property A gets onto property B, the light emitted from the lighting fixture placed on property A will be subject to light trespass, resulting in a fine as set up by the Governmental Codex of the United States of America. In simpler terms, if the backyard light of the Joneses family gets into the backyard light of the Andersons family, their corresponding neighbors' property, The Anderson family can report trespass against the Joneses, resulting in a fine. When law interferes, a report of light trespass against the Joneses can also result in a fine, which can easily be $500 and over, depending on your local governmental codex. Beware, this is a serious issue. Fines go on the records. They hit your pocket pretty badly. So, you see, how would you like a neighbor's light from a backyard emitting source or a backyard lighting fixture to get onto your property, or even inside your house, potentially interfering with your sleep? That can cause sleep deprivation. We covered this before. Sleep deprivation can lead to distress, clinical depression, and consecutive feeling of destruction and exhaustion. Let me provide a cited example.